This competition, I'm only competing in 3x3, which is kind of nice. I mean, sad that I don't get to mess around in 2x2, but this comp's gonna be in Spanish Fork. I'll cut to when we're on the way. Locations in like the middle of nowhere. This is really weird. Dang, that thing looks tired. Boo. I judged round 1 of 3x3 and I'm competing in round 3. Round 2 is currently going on. I've been practicing through round 1 and now I gotta start really getting zoned in, so I'm not gonna be recording for a minute. That's a... As I was saying, I gotta stay concentrated. Yo, he's revving, hold on. He just put his hand out the window. He was like, hey, that was real. Ooh, dirt bike. Dude, I need to concentrate. Okay, I gotta put the camera away.
You didn't stop the timer, bro. You didn't stop the timer.
The timer's broken.
Wait,
Hey, it's on 4 times. I'm getting a resolve because the timer was on the wrong setting and didn't stop when I put my hands down. So that was really lucky. Also, why are you looking at me like that? That was fair. So I made a deal with him. He said he'd watch the vlog if I put him in it. So
I'll also sub.
here he is.
I average bad. What do you average?
Right now I'm averaging around 12.
Nice, that's better than me.
What do you average?
26.
26. Hey, that's still pretty good.
Yeah, I've been
Nice.
doing for a year.
I'm up.
Bye.
I got a 12.25 average, which is a PR average for me. No PR singles, unfortunately, but you know, what do you do?
I got 10.85 average, which is not PR for me. But I did get an 8 single, which is PR for me.
You got an 8. Bro got $100 for getting an 8. That's insane.
But he got his like average like a second lower than usual.
Yeah, I got a second lower than usual at home. My home average is low
mine was
13, but
bad.
now I can say it's a 12.
I got 2 counting 11s, which is I average 10 now. So
Yeah, if you average 10, that's not very good.
yeah, that's not very good.
So
Maybe
you gotta-
finals. Maybe finals.
Yeah, you got a chance. You got a chance.
Got a chance.
Cross your fingers. I have a chance.
Yeah.
You just laugh. I have a chance, right?
Yeah, maybe. The last video though, you literally put visual disappointment.
Yeah.
You were correct.
It was clear. Guess who made it to the final? Guess who's in 4th place? They're only taking 12 people. I'm in 12.
And
I'm so good.
The 11 people that weren't put in are the 11 people
Are
that
they-
aren't here.
It's so close. I'm shocked. So I made the final for 3x3 as we said previously, and we are going on lunch break now. I'm not gonna do what I did last time when I was walking here and I talked about like 7 different topics in the span of 2 seconds. So I'm just gonna end it here and I'll cut to when we're back unless something happens. Thumbs up. I'm about to compete in the 3x3 final, and these guys are way out of my league. I'm gonna get absolutely destroyed, but I'll keep you guys updated with my score and how I place. So yeah, here comes the 3x3 final. So I didn't lose. So that's good. I didn't lose. I got 11. Someone got a 15 average, I think, right? It was like a 15.
What?
I don't know. I'll put up the score right here in front of his face.
Hey.
Yeah, that was my score. That's my place. I got a 13 average, so that's fair. It's not the best average, but it's what I consistently average, so it was solid. I'm just shocked I made it to the final. That was really exciting.
Sick.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and comment if you want to see another Cube Comp video. If you guys enjoy these, let me know in the comments. If you guys want to see more tutorial videos, also let me know. I'll start doing those. Oh, boy with you. We don't want that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Laters.